Hi friends! Get ready for an exciting look at some of the biggest and coolest machines around. We are going to see some really amazing stuff together. So let's jump right in and start our fun journey into the world of giant machines. Welcome to HlavandaSHOW. Designed for transporting logs and timber from forests to processing facilities, facilitating timber movements. A powerful piece of equipment for earth-moving tasks, commonly used in construction and mining. Specialized vehicle used in underground mining for efficient coal transport. A robust machine excelling in railway demolition, waste handling and precision lifting with flexible mobility. An immense machine featuring a large crane capable of lifting vast quantities of sand from the ocean. Specialized in demolishing concrete structures, this machine is an effective tool for breaking down solid materials. These machines are essential for installing piles, supporting structures like buildings and bridges. an innovative attachment for recycling materials efficiently on construction sites. This equipment cleans and maintains the railway ballast, enhancing track safety and longevity. Capable of reaching heights up to 213 feet, this machine is suitable for demolishing skyscrapers. Precision equipment used for laying railways tracks, ensuring correct track alignment and placement. An attachment for excavators designed for breaking rocks and concrete with high frequency vibration. Ideal for snow removal and street cleaning in winter. This machine is efficient in cold weather conditions. A high-performance tool in the mining industry, known for efficient extraction of natural resources. Wow, what a great time we had with all these big machines! If you had fun, remember to hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Your support means we can keep sharing cool machines adventures with you. See you next time and keep being curious about big machines.